Streetbeefs, scrapyard, we ain't gotta act hard. Sasquatch back, y'all, we flipping like a flashcard. Guns down, gloves up, or shut up, that part. Guns down, gloves up, or shut up, that part.
Chops off, 155, 6 foot.
Crazy legs, 167, 5'6".
Yeah.
You know.
Let's go. Fire Chicken here, back at it again in the scrapyard with a boxing match this time. First shout out to our sponsors, Peixotto Premium Clothing Brand and Monarch Batchelor Bemer representative. The links are always in the description. You might want to check them out. They do a lot for us. To my right, we got Chop Saw. He's 1-0 in the scrapyard. To my left, we got Crazy Legs. He's 2-2. Be safe, fight hard, guys. All right, bring it in.
Let's have a good, clean, safe fight. You guys listen to my commands at all times. Protect yourselves at all times. Touch gloves, go to the corners. Timer, you ready? Judges. Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap hard. Go.
Hang it out.
Sure.
Keep that foot up.
Yup.
Put the 2 over top when he comes in. Just like that. Yep.
Yes. Yes, Kobe, go!
You didn't get out.
Crazy Legs.
Now we need crazy legs.
In and out, in and out.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Good head movement.
Hit that jab.
2 body.
2
2 body. Shit.
Oh, yeah, good.
2 body. 2 body.
Nice body shot. There you fucking go. Good. 10 seconds!
You gotta throw shots.
There you go.
Finish strong.
Go punches. Throw punches.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little bit sharper. All right?
Center. Right? Throw that one top, one super high, like almost too high, and then straight right hand, right to the body, and run the belly button. You're doing good.
Timer, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap hard, round 2.
Go crazy! Don't leave with that cross. Get away, get away. Get out. Time, get out after 3. Yes, go. Get low in his body. Right down on that mouth arm, bro. Right, you send him to the body.
Nice head movement.
Yeah.
There you go, baby.
Get it, fire. Hands up, crazy.
Pick it up, pace. Jack.
More than halfway down.
Yeah, good. 1, 2. There you go. 10 seconds.
Come on, pressure.
Go.
5,
4, 3,
do it again. 1, 2, get it.
1. Okay, hey. Timer, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap hard round.
Third round.
Round 3.
Leave it all in there. Got load.
Good straight shots. Now a little higher. Yep.
Good, Kobe, go.
Good job getting away.
1, 2. Sharp. Remember, sharp. There you go.
Nice. That's what you're looking when he throws that right round.
Good. Hands up.
There you go, baby.
Right cross.
Hurt that body.
There you go. Break. Go.
You good.
Let's go.
Right down on your mouth. Keep it in.
Hard ass.
Hands up. There you go, baby.
Let's go, Kobe.
Let's go.
Hey, pressure.
Paint stick.
Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go.
You go, Kobe. Pick it up.
You can be tired later. Be strong right now. Go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. 1.
Let's go, boys.
Are you not entertained? Okay, after 3 rounds, these boys left in the cage. And the judges scored this one unanimous.
Street beefs is going down in the scrap.